I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace rear windshield wiper Dodge Grand Caravan. Fold the rear wiper arm down and wipe the area clean to avoid debris entering the mechanism. Pop the plastic cap and inspect the pivot for corrosion or broken clips. Remove the old blade by gently pressing the release tab and sliding the blade off the hook attachment. Keep parts organized for reassembly. Start by parking on level ground and opening the liftgate fully so you have room to work. Grab a clean cloth, flathead screwdriver, and the 12-inch replacement blade that matches your old blade. Wear gloves to protect your hands and to keep the glass free of fingerprints. Clear any debris from the pivot and plastic cap so insertion is smooth. Handle the new blade gently to avoid bending the frame. Lift the rear arm into its raised service position so you can access the blade easily and avoid snapping the arm. Press the small release tab on the old blade and slide it off the hook, keeping fingers clear of the pivot. Align the replacement blade's adapter with the hook and push until you hear a firm click indicating secure attachment. Lower the arm slowly and test the wiper with washer fluid to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.